Rise Broadband Internet Provider Honest Review. Watch before using. Rise Broadband is a fixed wireless internet provider designed for rural and underserved areas where traditional cable or fiber options may not be available. Its core promise is to deliver internet connectivity to hard-to-reach places, which makes it a potentially valuable option for rural households and small businesses. In terms of speed, Rise offers plans with download speeds ranging from 25 megabits per second up to 50 megabits per second, though actual performance can vary depending on your location and network congestion. The service is relatively straightforward, but it's not without its downsides. One of the most common complaints is inconsistent speeds, especially during peak hours, which can make streaming and gaming challenging. Latency issues are another concern, particularly for online gaming or video conferencing. In terms of pricing, Rise Broadband is fairly competitive, with no long-term contracts. But there's a trade-off: data caps. Most plans come with a data limit, and going over can result in additional fees or throttling, which can be frustrating for heavy internet users. Another aspect to consider is customer service, which has been a point of criticism for many users. Support response times and resolution effectiveness can be slow, leading to dissatisfaction when issues arise. On the positive side, installation is usually quick, and because it's a wireless solution, it doesn't require extensive infrastructure like traditional ISPs, making it easier to set up in remote locations. However, the equipment fees, such as for the router and modem, are often additional costs that can drive up the overall price. So, who is this service for? Rise Broadband is ideal for those living in rural areas who don't have access to better alternatives, and for users with basic internet needs like browsing and light streaming. But if you're someone who needs high-performance internet for heavy usage or live in an area with multiple options, it might not be the best choice. In summary, Rise Broadband serves its purpose for rural connectivity, but comes with compromises on speed, data caps, and customer support quality.